I'm starting the video where it should end. Why? Because I kept on trying and to see if I can get the right thing. So why I'm doing this? Because I don't want you to spend a lot of time to watch the entire video, yet there's a solution which takes simple couple of minutes. But anyway, the reason why I also put other parts is that you might find what worked for me, it's not going to work for you, or if it works for you, then you save your time from watching the entire video. So some parts in the video is where I started the video. You're gonna hear it say hi, whatever. I won't edit that because it has explanation at the beginning as we are here now. So what I'm trying to say, like I was trying to open my Ubuntu was not connecting to the internet anymore. So I tried couple of things. You're gonna see them in the video, but unfortunately those did not work for me. What worked for me, I wanna explain it to you. I did only reset the modem. So I installed the network drivers, I did all of that, everything, doing what? Switching off the computer, switching it on, switching off the modem, switching the modem off. But when I realized that it was not the issue of the internet itself, it was not the issue of Ubuntu itself. Why? Because I'm gonna show you now on the screen why I discovered it wasn't the issue of Ubuntu. I'm connecting my phone here. You can see, let me see, you had the sound. Let me get here. I'm gonna accept this to work with that. Okay, so now you can see here there is only it's working wired LAN cable. So the only way I tried to see if I have internet, I connected, my modem was connecting to my Wi-Fi, right? That was so confusing. So the phone is connecting, but now my operating system does not want to connect to the to my modem. But I'm using a LAN cable anyway to connect to the computer. So that was so confusing that I have internet on the phone, but I don't have internet on my operating system. What did I do? So what I did, I tried a lot of things which you're gonna see. If this doesn't work for you, do what I'm gonna give in the next in other parts of the video which are coming. So what I did, I connected my USB cable to the modem, no, to the computer, and I put it on the phone. Then since the phone has a Wi-Fi, I went to network and wireless and network, and then I went to Ether and portable devices. Then I went to USB Ethering. So when I switched on that, you can see that. Look, can you see on the screen? Yeah, I switched on that. Now here it is. So since it's here, I'm gonna connect. Do that trick to see if that works, then you can use what I'm telling you. So you click on that and say connect. So I'm connecting now via the phone, not via the LAN cable. You can see now Ether, this is what Ethernet connected. This is the PCI, which is the LAN cable. Okay, so what do? I'm gonna go to Chrome. I'm gonna go to what to show you that I have internet via my phone Wi-Fi via the same modem. You understand? I'm gonna go to googleboy.com.co.za. So once I'm here, you can see I can click on this news and everything. You can see everything is working 100%. So simply means we have internet. There's no problem with Ubuntu. You understand? So once you have that and this doesn't work, what do? Switch off your modem. Use that small pin how to reset your modem. Reset it. So after resetting it, it's gonna work. If it doesn't then work, then you're gonna go to the next parts of the videos I've done. So I'm gonna join them with this video. So watch them, the next part, to fix your problem. So mine was fixed like that, but after spending over 30 minutes plus trying each and every option. So here in this video, let me go back from my phone to the right thing. So okay, what you're gonna do here in this video, switch off your modem, put in that small pin. You know those modem has pins, they're that small hole. Press it down. After pressing it down 10 seconds to 15 seconds, the modem is gonna reset. Your Wi-Fi name and password, everything is gonna be gone. Then you connect your LAN cable to your computer. Also switch off your computer, switch it on back, then it's fine. If it doesn't work, try to connect your modem to a hub, from a hub to your computer. So if that doesn't work, then follow me on the next on the continue watching the video. If it works, then you can stop here. If it doesn't work, there are a couple of things I've done now in the video. Okay guys, let's see the second part. For those who have used this and it worked for you guys, there is no need for you to proceed with the video. I'm going to try to see some tricks on how to fix your internet if it's not working. Like I'm not talking about the internet itself. I'm talking about the internet not working on your Ubuntu. So I'm testing here. My WhatsApp is working 100%. My Wi-Fi is working 100%. But I'm using a desktop whereby I'm using what we call a LAN cable. So there is no internet as you see here. And when I try to go to Chrome, you're gonna see yourself. When Chrome comes in, you can see I can search for anything. I'll never get nothing. If I got here, nothing's gonna come up. If I say whatever, I can see site can't be reached and all that nonsense. So first thing, your modem is fine because it's working, but you might find if your modem is like, check your phone if the Wi-Fi is working and there's internet connection. Switch off your data, go to Google and try to see if you can go to internet. One. Second, switch off your, if it's working it's fine. If it doesn't work, switch off your modem, switch on back. Third, switch off your computer, switch it on back. Fourth, take out the LAN cable from the computer end and also from the modem end and check if that works. Okay, if those doesn't work, try to come here and click on wired, then you say wired settings. Try to switch it off, give it some seconds, switch it back. You can see it doesn't work. Okay, fine. What can we do? Switch it back, switch, like play with it, 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 and leave it like that. If it doesn't work, what do? You go to settings, say connect automatically, remove connection profile. I'm gonna remove that. Okay, removed it. I'm gonna click to add new connection profile. Say add. I'm trying to add a new one. It might look exactly the same. That's why let me switch it off, switch it on, switch it on, switch it off. Okay, nothing's going on, but I still have internet on my side, I mean on my phone. So okay, that could be bad. Metered connection. Okay, let's try to apply this. Okay, switch it off, switch it on. Okay, switch it off, switch it on and off. If it doesn't work, take out this and say identity profile, put a new profile, automatic. I'm gonna say profile 2. Okay, when I'm there, switch it on, switch it off. Then we try to see if we can connect to profile 2. Let's see identity. Let me see profile. Let me remove this profile. Okay, once I remove that, I'm expecting to have another profile. Okay, network profiles, manual automatic disabled. Let me see automatic, configure URL, whatever. Okay, no, leave that alone. Go back. I'm gonna make this to be profile 2 and say add. We see what is going on. Profile 2. In most cases it works with profile 1. Okay, if that does not work again. Let's remove this and try to connect with the profile one. Okay, say add, let me see, MAC address, auto, preserve, random. Okay, cloned address, random. Okay, automatic. No, we cannot add that. It's gonna be problem. It's gonna be problem. Okay. Let me cancel this. I'm gonna create a new. Okay. IPv4 automatic. If I say manual, it's gonna ask me this. Shared. Okay, too. Okay, linked local only. Okay. Say add. Okay. Well, after playing for many times and you cannot get what you need, what you do, you're gonna now, as we say, the steps which I did first, I'm gonna switch off, I'm gonna take out my LAN cable, or to change the LAN cable, I'm gonna change the LAN cable. Be patient with me. I'm changing it, and this is something you might not see. You can see that I took that out. I'm trying to go to the back and put in a new LAN cable. See if it works for us. Yes, we got it, but no luck. So what's gonna happen now if there's no luck here? So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use what they call a switch. I'm gonna run this cable to the switch. Once I run it to the switch, then I might see something else. Let me see, let me try that. So now I've taken it out from the modem. So I'm gonna connect straight to the switch. Yes, I've connected. Let me see what's going on. This is switched off. I'm gonna see what happens. It said unplugged. It has not yet recognized it. Let me see. Let me try to take it out and in. Okay, well, no problem. I'm trying. Nothing's going on here. So if it accepts the cable, you're gonna see this is gonna switch on by itself. So don't worry, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna try something else here. Okay. Okay, still no luck. But we're gonna win. I'm gonna look for something else also to connect to. Then because it doesn't want to be connected maybe straight, I'm gonna look for another switch like modem. Then I connect it in there. I don't want to pause the video because you must see when it's working. Get me? Okay. Put it back to the modem. You can see it's showing like it wants to connect, but it didn't connect. I put it back to the modem, but it didn't work, so okay, it's fine. I'm gonna connect it to another switch. In this situation we're gonna have to struggle a bit. Yeah guys, I managed to get in another switch, so I'm gonna show you. Wait. Yes, let's see. Still no luck. I'm gonna change the cables now. This happened when electricity went, so now it came back and then I'm struggling. But I know the do the same thing I've been doing. Okay, remove that profile, add new again. Okay, still change the cables again. I've done that. Okay, I think I should run some commands to reset this. Let me pause because I've exhausted all my knowledge, so I'm gonna try another thing, then I'm gonna show you. We tried each and every thing. We didn't go well, so now we're gonna go to commands. So let's see if commands gonna save us. There's no internet still, you can see here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run some commands. I want you to follow carefully, and we see. Okay, say ls. Please, I want you to be sudo space -l, then space /etc space resolve. Say resolve. Okay, so resolve dot conf. Then after that you press that, then you can see whatever. Okay, when we see that, then we can see that okay, 39 June whatever 2020. Okay, that's fine. It should be symbolic link in the new Resolve Inc. as service way of doing things. Okay, now what we're gonna say, sudo cut. We're gonna cut and say space /etc /resolve dot conf. Okay, then we enter. Okay, we cut the file, then we can see. Okay, okay, see. Okay, then let's see service resolve status. Service resolve conf. There's no e at the end. It's gonna be conf. Okay, status. Okay, could not be found. So I think I put in something wrong. Let me see. Resolve conf service resolve conf status. I did something wrong there. Okay, there's no problem. Okay, there's something I'm trying to, something else. Okay, tells me something which I don't understand. Unit in service could not be found. Okay. It seems like some of the files I have to use, they are not there. So this, because if I say resolve conf space start, then / running, enter. Okay, apt install. Crazy. Simply means we don't have this. You get me? This we don't have, and we must have internet to do that. So that's gonna give us trouble. You know, it's gonna give us problems to do what, to install that. I think we should find something better than that. Let me pause the video. Guys, what I've done now is to connect my what I've tried to use my USB, like connect your phone with the Wi-Fi, switch off data, and then what you're gonna do is you saw all these softwares we don't have, they tell us to switch them on. So look what I did. I went to settings. You can see now it shows USB Ethernet. Then this shows whatever. Let's see if we can go to the internet now. Okay, if we can go to the internet, we say Facebook. No, let's say Google Boy. Okay, we go to Google. Now you can see that we can connect to our internet, but then we use the phone. So what can we do? We can also try to install these drivers. Resolve not found, but you can be installed with. Okay, so I'm gonna say this, and I try to install that. Okay, after that installation we might find something better, but I made a mistake. I was supposed to update. I was supposed to say trigger for, okay, unknown package resolve. I'm gonna say sudo apt get what we're gonna call update. We have to put update. Okay, we see the updates we're gonna get from our. Okay, once we get the updates, it's okay. They say they are fine. Then we can say sudo. Okay, we can recall those commands before. Let me see. Okay, then we call these commands we used before, like restart. Okay, we try to restart them. Then I'm gonna switch off the internet from my phone, which I've done. Then let me try to switch on this. Okay, this one has not yet worked, but we're gonna find some other things. I think upgrading the system could work also for us. You get me? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to Also, there's some commands I've been running before. I'm going to try to install open. I'm going to try to get them back. Okay, I'm going to install these net tools. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. There's no connection. It won't work. So let me take off this and switch on this. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Okay. Okay, that is good. We're done with that. Okay, those are one of the tools we were supposed to put. Let me switch on that guy and see if he works. Let me play with him. Okay, still we cannot get any luck, but good enough we managed to log in using this another option. Our phone connects 100%, but this does not connect still. So let me try to delete that and I put a new profile. Who knows? Okay, the new profile doesn't work. It's okay. I'm gonna try to get some other solution quicker so that we conclude our video, since that doesn't work for now.